Hey everybody, what's up? This is Imran from the Bike Crew UA. Thanks for joining me, and as promised, I'm bringing you part 2 of the Ducati video, Ducati Museum video. So, we're picking up from where we left off. So, Rumbi, which one's your favorite? I know it's hard. Okay, so I'll give you 5 favorites.
I'm
You
very
get 5.
biased, to be honest. Because I'm a Casey Stoner fan, so obviously.
So it's got to be the Casey Stoner bike. Okay. Of all the bikes here, 5 favorites. It's a Casey Stoner bike.
5.
Yes.
Only 5?
Only 5. Ducati Museum, Bologna, folks, and I've set Rumbi a challenge. I've asked her to pick 5 bikes of all these fantastic machines all over here, and she's only got to pick 5.
And I'm failing to pick the 5. I'm struggling.
Believe me, you would too. It is so difficult to pick just 5 machines because we want them all of them. I've given Rumbi some time to figure out her 5 bikes, but I've been distracting her as well, just to make sure she doesn't have too much time to just think about it. So we're gonna find out which 5 bikes she likes. I'm gonna ask her to take me to them. All right, we're following Rumbi to her 5 choices.
Okay. Number 5?
Number 5. Casey Stoner's replica Desmo Sedici RR 2007 race bike. Okay, that's a good choice. Number 5. Alright. Following her to number 4. In case you guys are just joining us, we are in Ducati's Museum in Bologna. No.
That's 5, yeah.
No, that's not her choice. That's not. We're following. We're still following.
Where was that 5?
She forgot where the number
lost
4
the
bike
bike.
was. She's lost the Ducati. Oh my god.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4.
That's 125 Sport.
The 125 Sport. Believe it or not, folks, this bike actually used to race. Yeah. And it used to do pretty well, actually. Okay, number 4. So we're looking for number 3.
I think number 3 will give it to the ones behind you.
Ooh, number 3 is right here. The 46 world record winning bike, 100cc Ducati. All right.
What was it? She said you can't record the ones in the front, yeah?
No, she said you can't.
Okay.
I still did. So we're looking
What
for
are we
now
on?
number 2. Oh, it's coming down to the bottom.
Oh.
Number 2. And she's thinking.
You're gonna be mad at
She's
me.
thinking. She's thinking.
We have to pay respect to the scrambler. I'll give the scrambler some love, but. Where's the scrambler?
It's outside.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
All right. Number 2 is the Scrambler. I can't fault her with that. It is a pretty cool bike. Alright, number one. Drum roll, please. Obviously. The Ducati V4 SP2 Panigale. Yeah. I would say this would be number one too. I mean, look at the thing. This brings us to the end of our little tour of the Ducati Museum. But as a bonus, we're gonna take you to their shop. Now, any museum does have a shop, obviously. However, being a Ducati shop, I am really interested to see what they have. And I will be showing that to you guys in actually now. Right now. Folks, thanks for watching. This brings me to the end of the video from Rumbi and me. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.
Bye-bye.